gonna give you a tour of the Honeysuckle Hounds farm with my good buddy Liam, my little nephew. So that's the 89 double wide trailer that we're leaving here. Bradford pear tree, old chicken coop, fuel tanks, an old barn slash workshop, place where you can put the tractor, right there. Yep, right there. That's where you put the tractor. Don't worry, we're not on any state highways. He's not buckled up. There's old backer barn. Another old backer barn. Got a deer blind. This is my 97 Jeep Wrangler TJ. We're riding around in. Yep. We're going up the top of the hill. This is where we plan on building our forever house up here, so we can watch the sunset every night. We've got just
what
about
after supper we can look for deer?
Yep, we'll look for deer after supper.
I think I left my goggles at Mimi and Boss's house.
Your binoculars. I think we got an extra pair
Why?
in the trailer. I think we got an extra pair, buddy.
Look. We have extra pair just in case I forget at Mimi and Boss's.
Yep.
And in case I lose them, right?
Yep, in case you lose them. I know. Here's some old animal barns we got going on right here. Came with the property, bought it. Deer blind we got set up back there. So this is what we want to look out over. In the summertime, the sun will set a little bit further off to the right there in the west. We plan on building a barn, or excuse me, a pond down at the bottom of the hill over here. It'll be nice. Yep, there she is. We got about 110 acres. That's Margaret's Mountain, we like to call it, over there.
All this farm is yours?
Now, all this farm is me and Aunt Margaret's. That's right.
And ours, right? And mine, right?
It's not yours. But you can come over here and play anytime you want. It don't get much prettier than this.
Why?
Because it's peaceful. Nobody's out here, you know?
It's fun.
I know. So we're coming back on the west side here. Here's an old barn that we're going to have taken out here this summer. There's a creek. There's two natural spring-fed creeks back here that kind of meet in the middle. And we're going to dam up back over there, so we'll have a big pond here that we can go fishing in.
I just need a tire.
I know you can.
What?
Oh, hey. Let's check this dam over here to see if we can, or this drain tile, see if we can drive over top of it. It's gonna get muddy.
I better roll my windows up, right?
Whoa,
I better roll my window up.
you're fine now. Whoa,
Yeah.
whoa, here we go.
This is disgusting, right?
It's not disgusting.
Oh, there's dirt all over us.
Yeah, it's mud. Got a little muddy. It's okay.
Are we going all the way over here? Are we way past the house?
The house is back behind us. We're just going to the edge of our property right here.
What's that right there? Is that where you climb up?
That's a deer stand on the other guy's land that owns the farm next to my farm.
What's that one? No crash.
I'm not going to crash, buddy.
What's that for?
This is the gentleman that lives next door to us. He's got a pretty good, nice little field of,
Oh, why
That's
is there a
wheat.
ladder?
or hay. There's our property back here. We have a lease for a guy to come out and grow corn and soybeans. We'll probably do that again this year until we get up and running. Say bye, Liam.